It's April 29th, Wednesday, 2020, 10:26 p.m. I have finished the lathe work on the Chamber of Doom. It went well. Oh, that's cool. The Chamber of Doom, where germs go to die. Ah! Anyway, it didn't take too long. It's made of 7075 aluminum. My favorite grade of aluminum. What else do I have done here? I have the main plate of the Chamber of Doom, and that's where the ultraviolet LEDs will go. And here's the bottom reflector of the Chamber of Doom, which goes underneath this, and it will be it'll be reflected into the center, so when germs are flying through here and they get to here, it only gets worse for them. I should polish this up even better. I made this just by sticking this over the end of a piece of pipe and hammering on it, and then sticking it on the lathe and polishing it. Anyway, that will get split into two pieces. And then this goes in there at the bottom of the Chamber of Doom, and of course that's underneath. And then after those goes a filter, which in itself can stop germs to some degree. And then above it is a plate that holds the main purpose of the this, and the top plate is to keep the ultraviolet rays of doom from getting out of the Chamber of Doom, and also of course reflecting them back in to increase the intensity of the rays of doom. Okay, that's enough videoing for today. I got work to do.